girl, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deshay, aka Fabglam. If you're new, make sure that y'all are subscribing to the channel because a lot of my views are coming from people who are not subscribed, and that ain't even cute. So I need y'all to subscribe so that y'all don't miss any of these cute little videos I be dropping. So anyway, y'all, let's get right into it. Today I have a NastyGal unbagging or unboxing video for y'all. This haul is not clothes, it's all mini purses or mini bags. As y'all know, mini bags are on trend. They hot, they popping, they cute and whatever. Now y'all, if you know me in real life, you know that I always got like a big bag or some kind of crossbody, but it's always large. And girl, it's too damn hot to be wearing big purses and big ass crossbody. So I asked the Lord, I said, Lord, if you quicken into my spirit and let me crave a mini bag, I'm gonna buy several. And that's exactly what I did. I think I was on like Instagram, it may have been Facebook. Y'all know when they pop the little ads up, y'all in your business figuring out what you've been looking at. Girl, we already know they watching us. But so I decided to get some mini bags and I got quite a few. This is the bag. And real quick, my jewelry, these two necklaces are from Forever 21, and then this one is from my website. I'll link it below. And y'all know my nail video is already posted, and then I'm wearing my hair braided again. I have a combination of stuff on my lips, so I don't even know what it is, but I am wearing lashes, the number 35 lashes from my website too, which will also be linked below. So let's get into the unboxing video. Alright y'all, so we gonna get right into the video, but it's like this eyelash it's been testing my gangster literally all day. Like my allergies going crazy as hell. I don't know. So if y'all see it like flying around, just ignore it because after this video I'm about to peel it off anyway. But okay, so I haven't seen any of these things. I kind of wanted to be surprised, like when I show y'all, I wanted to see the stuff for the first time. So I'm going to open it.
Hey, your phone, what's the issue? Wipe your eyes, grab the tissue. Currently, I'm rolling with you. Here go my heart, hope it fits. Give you the purpose of my life, give you a rose with one petal. Give you my all, roll the dice, loving money on my schedule. Call my phone when I'm alone. Tell me how I make you feel special. Teaching me to never trust and really how they all gonna neglect you. Shed tear, heart cry.
Okay, and I bought quite a few bags, like I said before. And I'm just gonna kind of pull out of the bag and we'll go from there, y'all. And these not as small as I thought they was gonna be. The first bag is this red little banana boat looking bag, and this one, I'll tell y'all the name of it in a minute. When I get it open, I'll tell y'all the name of it. And y'all, excuse my room. This room is not clean. Like, I've just been on a mission all week. I did vlog this week. I'm really trying to get into vlogging too. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking cute. And I got the perfect shoes to wear with this. This says Patent PU shoulder bag, the red, one size. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. And y'all, I insert a separate clip of the bag, of course, like on the screen, probably on this side somewhere. Oh my gosh, does this come with a strap? Of course, it's stuffed. And then it comes with the little shoulder strap so that you can tote it. This is really cute. I love this. So that is the red one. And then if I could find the prices of what I paid, because I think these bags probably was like 60% off too. So that's what made me get a bunch of them. But I got some red and white 11 Jordans to wear with this. That's going to be real cute. Alright, and the second bag I got is similar to that one. This is the Faux Croc shoulder bag, the gray one, and a one size. So this is kind of like that one, but this one is gray and it has like that faux Croc print. Yeah, and this top that I'm wearing is a bodysuit. This bodysuit is from Forever 21. It is kind of big on me. I think it's a 1X. I could have got a extra large, but since it was a bodysuit and I'm junky in the trunk, I was like, let me try a bigger size. Ooh, and then this one is like a matte, whereas the other one was shiny, so patent, like patent leather, I guess. And then again, it comes with a little shoulder strap. This is what that one looks like. These bags are cute. I love these. And then I can still fit a pretty decent sized wallet in here. And this is a mini bag, but it's not as mini. It's more like short instead of a big bag. So love that. Y'all, oh my gosh. This bag is super freaking cute. This is the Half Moon shoulder bag in orange. This is perfect for the summer. And then I'm gonna order these. It's some tie-dye jeans that I want from Fashion Over, so I'm gonna go ahead and order those, and it's gonna be super cute with this. Look at this bag. Oh my gosh, y'all can't tell me that this is not one of the cutest things you ever seen. And the structure of these bags, they're made so well. They don't feel like cheap or flimsy or anything like that. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And I'm gonna put the prices on the screen if I can find my invoice in this bag. If not, I have it linked in the description. But this one is so cute. Look at that. And then this is the size of it. It's about this size. Love that. That's probably one of my favorites so far because that orange just pops. Alright, so the next bag, they really wrapped this one very well. This one says, want Croc on faux leather crossbody. So this one is actually a crossbody, whereas those other ones were handheld, little handheld bags. Oh my gosh. Girl, did this one cost money? Because I can't get in it. Ooh, I know exactly which one this is. And it has like a little dust bag. So I am going to keep that, although it's not like a dust bag, but it'll keep, ooh, oh my gosh. Y'all, the quality of these bags are like really, really good. Oh, look at this. OMG. You can't tell me that this ain't cute. And then it has the gold hardware. I'm not gonna take it off right now, but I will insert a clip. This is so freaking cute. And look at the detailing on the chain. That is bomb.com. Now I will say this, it is really stiff. So that probably means that it'll last longer and you can make, oh no, so I don't know why they call this a crossbody. Oh, okay, I see. So this is how long the chain gets. So it is pretty decent. This is a cute bag. Y'all, I look oily. I'm starting to look oily. It's time to take this makeup off. Alright, y'all, so moving right along, I had to stop and take care of some business. So I'm gonna just pick up where I left off. I was showing y'all this tan colored crossbody bag. This is going to be really cute with some square toe heels, and I am going on vacation for my birthday. So me and Bae are going on a vacation to some tropical places, you know, looking real cute, and I'm only doing all white swimwear. So I'm gonna try to find me like a straw bag or something, but I will be taking that one for when we do like our dinner and stuff like that, because that's cute. Moving on. Right, so the next bag is also packaged. Oh my gosh, now this one is really mini. I know the bags with that mini, they like just small bags, but this one is an actual mini bag, and this one is the wanted out faux leather crossbody bag in blue. I needed a blue bag for the summertime because I don't have any blue bags. The bags that I have are all larger, and girl, here go this eyelash again, playing with me. Oh, did y'all see these earrings? These earrings are from, I think they're from Forever 21. I got these, shit, too many years ago, too. Oh, this is so cute. Look at this. And then it has the little gold hardware. And then it has a strap where you can make it crossbody, and it is an adjustable strap, so you can carry it like that or make it longer. Oh my gosh, you guys, this bag is so freaking cute. This is one of those bags that you just put like money and your phone in. Well, for me, and then since I have asthma, I keep like my inhaler and some lip gloss or something. This is so freaking cute. Look at that. I'll probably carry it without the extra strap though. How cute. The next bag is this Croc bucket crossbody bag in white. It's bigger than what I thought it was going to be because on the model, well, on the website, it looked really small. But it is a good size for me. And I don't like how they packaged it because it's like messed up and beat up. I feel like they could have put this in a box or something by itself to avoid that. So I'll have to like stuff it again. But oh my gosh, look at that. Super cute. And then you can adjust it in the front right here to scrunch it up, to like hold it together, and then it has a little snap on the inside to keep it snapped. And I believe this one has a strap in it as well because it is crossbody, so I will put that on the side over here as well, and then link it below. But yeah, they should have packaged this better. Package this by itself or in a box because it is extremely like bent up, and it's not flimsy or thin material, so it's gonna take some work to try to get it back in shape. But other than that, it's really cute, and it's perfect for summer because it's white. I might even take that one since I'm doing all white bathing suits. The last bag that I got, this one it's not as mini either as the other ones. I feel like the only true mini bag was probably the blue one. The other ones are just like basic average size bags, but they are smaller than the bags that I normally carry. This one, oh my gosh. And I didn't realize I got so many of these Croc print bags. I don't know what it is. I'm not like addicted to that or nothing, or just in love with it. It's just what I picked. This one is the Crossbody chain bag in sage. Y'all, this bag is so, what the F, NastyGal. Look at this. Super cute. And I guess they call it a crossbody because you can kind of do it like that and wear one strap, but I don't like that, so I'll probably carry it like this. This is so cute. Let's see what's on the inside. Any extra straps? So no, there is no extra straps on this one. This one is super cute. And then this sage green is just a different color. Just imagine that with like a maxi dress, or a midi dress that's fitted, like a tan color. Oh my god, this is so cute. Love this. The last thing that I got was just some slides to throw on. Hopefully I can fit these because with slides I be wearing all different kind of sizes. Like, I don't know, I think I got these in a, girl, they sent me a 7. Why would they send me a 7? I know damn well I don't want a 7 because I don't wear no damn 7. I know it says 10. Okay, I was like, what? But the sticker does say 7. Look. Can y'all see that? That sticker says 7. And then the inside of the shoe says 7. Hold up. Girl, why would they send me a size 7? I ordered a 9. It's not even a point of me trying this on because I know I can't fit this. I don't know why. Girl, I did all that bitching and the shoe actually fits. So I guess a 7 is a 9 in European size. Yeah, they did it. But you know what? The shipping for this stuff took so long. I don't even remember when I ordered this, but it came the other day. I think it came on Monday. I want to say it came Monday, but I ordered this probably 2 weeks ago. So the shipping was at least probably like 14 days. I think it even says 14 days on the website. But I didn't order no damn 7, so I'm mad about that. So I don't know if I'm going to get those away or send them back. I don't even think they was that expensive. They probably was only like $10, but I was looking forward to having some white slides, but whatever. But yeah, y'all, that was everything that I got from Nasty Girl. This video is not sponsored. Maybe in the future I have a Nasty Girl sponsor. Who knows? Anything can happen. But yeah, y'all, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.